How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with the House Money Investing channel. In today's video, we are going to go over my Cash App portfolio. If you like this type of content, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, ring that bell, comment, all those good things. I do have 12 brokerages, and I go over all these 12 brokerages, pretty often. And I also do, stock picks 7 days a week as I analyze stocks every day. And I will bring you guys some unique stock picks along with, the stocks that you're pretty much going to see on any other channel. There is a description in the below for Robinhood. If you want to hit that link and get yourself a free affiliated share, then go ahead and try that out as well. We'll jump right into this one. As you can see, my profile is valued at $1,967.49. I was down $9.60 today, down 0.49%. Over the past week, I am up $106.66, up 5.73%. Over the past month, I am up $95.64, up 4.52%. Over the past year, I'm up $611.10, up 15.05%. And that is over the last year or last all time. Just look here. My unrealized gains are actually up 28.3%. So technically, I'm up 28.3%. My realized gains, which ones that I've cashed out on, is 7.5%. And that's why I have an unrealized and realized gain of 15.5%. And I have made, $4.56 in dividends over the course of time. My top performing holding is actually Tesla. This is a $14 investment that I made. Let's see when I made this investment, if we can find out here. I bought this back in March, and that $14 is now worth $126.89. So it's a total gain of 112.89%, and it is up over 800%. So a very nice gain there from Tesla from a very small investment. Then we got Caesars Entertainment. I'm up $30.80. I'm up $26.61 in NEO, up $25.85 in Roku, up $22.06 in Zoom, up $21.30 in First Solar. I'm up $19.95 in Big Lots, up $19.19 in the United States Steel, up $13.68 in Apple, up $9.75 in Moderna, $9.06 in Norwegian Cruise Line. I'm up $8.64 in Broadcom, $7.33 in Revolve Group, up $6.42 in DraftKings, $6.32 in Nordstrom, up $5.34 in Zscaler, $5.22 in Chegg, $4.93 in Plug Power, $3.78 in Discover, $3.63 in Spotify, $3.58 in Walgreens, $3.54 in Chevron, up $3.52 in United States Oil Fund, $3.36 in L Brands, $2.94 in Brookfield Renewable, up $2.84 in Walmart, $2.82 in Hilton, $2.70 in Trade Desk, $2.69 in CVS, up $2.59 in Spirit, $2.56 in Boyd, up $2.48 in Exxon, $2.31 in Raytheon, up $2.23 in Snapchat, up $2.12 in Snowflake, up $1.98 in Home Depot, up $1.92 in Grubhub, $1.88 in International, up $1.85 in Peloton, $1.76 in Marathon, $1.72 in Wells Fargo, $1.63 in Ford, a Spider Select Fund up $1.62, up $1.49 in Lyft, ARK Innovation ETF up $1.48, Senior Key Financial $1.45, I butchered that, XPeng up $1.30, Global Blood Therapeutics up $1.25, Carnival Cruise up $1.22, Viacom up $1.20, Squares up $1.20, Amazon's up $1.16, Uber's up $1.10, SPCE Virgin Galactic's up $1.10, Solar Edge is up 99 cents, Utility Software is up 96 cents, Southwest Airlines 93 cents, Wynn Resorts 90 cents, Take-Two Interactive Software up 85 cents, 3M up 84 cents, Spirit Aerosystems up 82 cents, up 73 cents, Foot Locker, Spider Gold Trust up 67 cents, Otis Elevators up 59 cents, DocuSign up 57 cents, up 50 cents in General Motors, Bristol Myers Schwab up 50 cents, Disney up 45 cents, Linear up 44 cents, GoodRx up 41, AMD up 40, Slacks up 36 cents, iShares Silver Trust up 35 cents, EA's up 34 cents, Cornering's up 34 cents, Abbott's up 33 cents. Newmont Corporation's up 30 cents. Visa's up 29%. Viasat's up 27 cents. Dropbox up 26 cents. Aflac's up 26 cents. Southern's up 24 cents. Then we got Anheuser-Busch, Vanguard Developed Market ETF, both up 23 cents. Oracle and Overstock are up 18 cents. As Nasia up 17 cents. Fastly up 16 cents. Philip Morris up 14 cents. Target, Pinterest, Realty Income up 13 cents. Then we got Bank of America up 12 cents. Skyworks up 11 cents, along with Pfizer. Then we got Stryker up 8 cents. Caterpillar up 7 cents. T-Rowe up 6 cents. Twitter's up 5 cents. iShares Core up 5 cents, along with Nvidia, Air Products and Chemicals. And then we got Spider, S&P 500, Lowe's, Invesco, Triple Q, all up 3 cents. Vanguard ETF, Hector's Gold Miners ETF, MG Resorts, all up 2%. Then we got Qualcomm, iShares High Yield, Netflix, First Energy, iShares Bond, iShares JP Morgan, US Emerging Markets, all are flat out, you know, not up or not down. Then for the losers, we got Verizon down a penny, Vanguard down 2 cents, UPS down 3 cents. We got Pepsi down 4 cents, Facebook down 6 cents, Erga, iShares Bond, both down 8 cents. We got iShares Brazil ETF down 13 cents, FedEx down 14 cents, Intel and Alibaba down 15 cents. Then you got ticker MO down 30 cents, Delta down 38 cents, General Mills down 42 cents, Wendy's down 44 cents, Honeywell down 50 cents, Iron Mountain down 57 cents. You got Zoom Information down 68 cents, Coca-Cola down 75 cents, Campbell's down 77, and General Electric's down 82. United's down 83, along with Plantineer Technologies. Then you got Sumo Logic down $1.20. Hormel Foods down 122. Vroom is down 157. AT&D's down 251. BigCommerce is down 277. And the biggest loss is Boeing down $3. So as you can see, super diversified. Some are very small losses and very small gains. But these very small gains do add up, you know, to the portfolio being up, you know, over $600. So like I said, I will provide you guys with stock picks. As you can see, a lot of these stocks are, you know, probably stocks you recognize, and some of them may be stocks that you've never even seen or never even heard of or thought about investing into, that I may be up on, you know, that you can take a look at, do your due diligence, and see if it's something you want to invest in. Once again, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, follow my journey, and I will provide you guys with more content. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I really appreciate you tuning in.